We can insert multiple records into a table at once using the insert multiple query function. Start by creating as many insert into statements as needed. In this example, we'll be inserting 3 records. So we've created 3 insert statements. Notice that the second and third SQL variables have a period in front of the equal sign. This is necessary for each additional record you want to add after the first one. Next, we create an if statement set to execute the multiple query function on our SQL statements. If the records were inserted successfully, a message is outputted. It'll state that the new records were created. Let's test our script by running the script in our web browser. So to do that, just type in the URL to the script in your address bar and press enter. And so you should see the success message, and we'll confirm that the records were inserted by refreshing our users table in the My Website database. And so we can see that the 3 names, Neil Jennings, Julie Lamb, and Justin Lee, were inserted into the database.